This is the plot.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying a tranquil life moment here. I've escaped the intense work of being a super spy. So I escaped to Sölden to live quietly. Eventually we clash and we have this showdown. Okay, but you can't be like so much faster than me.
I should be, no,
like
sorry.
I have to look like the better agent. This way, on my sixth. But you're also kind of a double agent. And then we'll declare a truce for lunch because, you know, and that's where we sort of realize that we have this similar mission. Okay? Okay, cool. Okay, let's make sure no one's pursuing us.
This way.
The altitude is getting in the way of my mission.
Austria is known for its spectacular views, après-ski, and apple strudel. But what does it really mean to ski Austria like a local?
Like if you are a James Bond fan, you have to come here.
This is a must-see, absolutely. I'm Gregor, and I'm guiding you guys today in the beautiful ski resort of Sölden.
We love him already.
So we are standing here at the Ice Cube restaurant, beyond 3,000 meters of sea level, which is Austria's highest located gourmet restaurant. Just next to us there is the famous 007 Elements James Bond installation. It's a very authentic journey to come up here because you're coming up with a cable car which was part of the movie Spectre. You pass the iconic Ice Cube restaurant which was part of the movie Spectre, so this makes it quite authentic. Let's go skiing! What's also unique in Sölden, we have 3 peaks beyond 3,000 meters of sea level. All of them are accessible with a ski lift.
Up, and we're gonna go check out the World Cup slope.
Yeah, for the start of the winter season, we always are the host of the first World Cup race of the FIS Ski World Cup. So Sölden is really the place to be when it's about sports and entertainment.
Ooh, true to his word. Here's Gregor giving us both sports and entertainment.
Still wear my skis.
But mostly entertainment.
I was literally sliding on my back for 200 meters.
I didn't crash like Gregor, but I still needed to recover. And the Das Central Hotel, which has got to be one of the nicest hotels I've ever stayed in, was the perfect place. I kind of wanted to stay at Das Central forever, but I had to tear myself away because we had another epic ski area to check out. I know, my life is tough. But I guess you can't really go wrong with like 4-star hotels, ski in, ski out, World Cup slopes, guaranteed snow due to the high elevation.
So we start down here to the right, and then we use the Plattachbahn up to the highest point in the Gurgl Valley.
This is Manuel, my ski instructor for the
Hello.
day. He's been a ski instructor here for 24 years, is that right?
Old man.
I don't think so.
I will say taking a ski lesson from Manuel made me really want to perfect my ski technique.
There's a nice black run over there. I think that's one of my favorite run because most time it's no people on it.
Okay, I want to see you shred your perfectly technical turns on that run. I'm trying to make my skis do what Manuel's skis do.
There's nothing quite like chasing a technically flawless Austrian ski instructor around to really show you where the gaps in your form are.
Oh God!
And I obviously have some room for improvement.
That was
Okay.
a really spray.
No, I didn't get it. I tried to do the Austrian turns with my Austrian ski instructor and I fell apart. I was trying to ski like a local and I crashed like a tourist. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Thank God. Okay, let's try this again.